Here we are back at Embedded World in Nuremberg, and now I'm in the IAR Systems booth with the CEO of IAR Systems, Stefan Skarin. Now, a year ago we reported that you announced a runtime analysis tool, and now you're integrating a static analysis tool. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you tell us a little bit about the new tool?
I would say that static analysis is coming as from runtime analysis, a demand from customers. We see an increased complexity in many of the products that our customers are building or the applications they build. And there was a demand to move into code analysis. And I think last year it was more on the runtime side. What we heard now is buzzwords like MISRA, CSERT. There's a lot of talk about MISRA 2012. And customers are looking for not only a development environment for MISRA, but also an analysis tool for MISRA. So that's why we pointed in that direction and actually launched CSTAT today.
Okay. Now this makes a lot of sense in the automotive application space. Can you tell us why?
Well, because I think that I met a few Japanese automotive vendors a couple of weeks ago, and you know, they say that it's moving into a complex environment. The application we looked at was the dashboard interface. It was 2,000 million lines of code. 1,000 HMIs, so it's really getting into complex, but of course also the functional safety and the security level, that you need to increase the level of code quality, otherwise you're running into severe risk in launching the products.
I certainly couldn't agree more, and that comes from one of the experts in the tool space. Anything else happening at the show that we should be aware of?
No, I think the functional safety is hot. It's a very hot topic. You can definitely see that the IoT space is getting less interested. We still have a lot of questions around IoT from a development point of view. But I would say code quality is the buzzword. I think that the fact that we have it fully integrated and a fairly cost-efficient level of price of the product, I think it makes it the most interesting thing we have at the show for the moment.
Well, that's great. Thank you very much, Stefan.
Thank you.